What's going on, guys? We are in downtown Atlanta,
and it is awesome. It's freaking awesome. I've never been here. Well, I've been here one time, but like seen it for like 2 seconds. That's like a big stadium. That's like where all the football games are. So that's pretty awesome.
That's a brand new Mercedes-Benz Arena.
And Faith Running Johnny's here. His turn signal's on, but he's here.
Come down before you tighten.
There's so many people here. Look at all the people going. Like, dude, it is insane. This place is so crowded. Wait.
You silly. Yep, this is the first year that Supercross is at the Mercedes-Benz Arena, and holy crap, seeing it in person, like, that place is huge.
Look at that thing. That's just crazy. Oh man, but that's pretty awesome too, just being able to see it, especially since I like football so much, and I've been told that this is where the Falcons play. So that's pretty cool.
Wow. It was really big.
That is pretty big.
That's what Kyle's mom said.
Yeah, this place is pretty awesome. I don't know if I'd ever live here because of the traffic, but yeah, this skyline's pretty awesome. What do you think, Justin?
Damn. I'm from a little town in Wisconsin. We don't have big cities like this. Like, we're even just on the outskirts. I think we're turning.
I don't know. Yeah, we're turning.
You warm? You cold? How you feeling?
I'm pretty cold.
Woo! Second gear wheelie?
There's a cop right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, hi. Hey, he waved.
So there's CNN. Okay, maybe Cakes and Ice Hats in there.
Kyle, red light. What is with you and red lights, Kyle? And there's a cop right there. Come on, Kyle.
Yeah. I was looking at CNN.
No problem, man.
Can I get down? Okay, Justin. You gonna get it?
What?
Mercedes-Benz building, and I'm gonna do a wheelie.
Gotcha.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. That was pretty terrible.
Oh, is that a penguin?
GTR.
Oh.
GTR. Yep.
Oh my god, GTR!
Oh, Geek Squad. Geek Squad. No.
Oh yeah, wheelies for the ladies. There's the penguin. It's a penguin. I like penguins. They're my favorite animal. Sorry.
They're your favorite animal?
They're my favorite animal.
Why?
Because they're cool.
Why?
Like, they're all awesome, are they? Like,
okay, we need to Photoshop a picture of Justin smiling with a penguin right now.
oh my gosh, I want to go in the aquarium. Okay, we're skipping Supercross. We're going to the aquarium. Hey, we're skipping Supercross. We're gonna go to the aquarium and pet some penguins.
That's fine.
Are we turning, Johnny? I don't see no left turn coming up.
You're a dick.
You figured it out.
Hey, stop! Stop! Ooh. Thank you, Johnny. They already have the walk. Oh, hey, wait.
You look here and you're like, oh, that's a pretty big building, and then you look up. yeah, guys, we didn't have much time to ride in Atlanta, unfortunately. We do have to get ready to go to that Supercross event because we are excited about that. But after that, we're going to go to like Blood Mountain and meet up with a bunch of people and stuff. So hopefully you guys showed up and everything. Obviously, this video is going to be coming out after all that happens, but it's going to be a lot of fun. So check it out next week, maybe?
Yeah, it should be out next week. Yeah, we're gonna do a little vlog style, so hopefully you're ready for that. Hopefully we can make something of it. And yeah, I think we're gonna end with a nice, beautiful shot of the skyline with Johnny's turn signal on.
That's
but
right.
it's probably blown up because we're looking into the sun. So hopefully you guys are seeing a pretty skyline.
Yeah, hopefully it's pretty decent. But I'm just ready to get warm. That's like what I'm excited about. And I'm also ready for Johnny to turn, if he is going to. But anyways, guys, that was a long and okay, we're gonna end it right now.